Hey everyone, we are going to be learning about systems of equations. Before we get into that, I just want to let you guys know that I miss you. I hope you're doing well. Most of you are doing awesome, getting caught up. And after this week, we are going to be moving into hopefully some more fun and useful math assignments and activities. So let's get started with systems of equations. Systems are different than just equations because it means there are more than one. So that's what systems means. When we are solving systems of equations, we're always looking for a solution. We can find a solution by graphing. So for example, if we have a system that is y equals negative 1/2 x plus 1 and y equals x minus 5, we need to graph those to find the solutions. In order to graph, I didn't bring any grid paper home with me, so I'm just going to make a graph here. I'm going to label my axes x and y. I'm going to go up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And that works. So we're going to graph each line. We always want to start with the y-intercept. In order to start with the y-intercept, we need to know what that is. So here, we know our y-intercept is 1. It's always this number out here. So our b is 1, and our slope is negative 1/2. So we're going to graph this line, start with our y-intercept. Our y-intercept is positive 1, so we're going to start there. And then we're going to travel the slope. Slope is rise over run. This says negative. Negative means down. So we're going to go down 1, right 2. We always go right. Down 1, right 1, 2. Down 1, right 1, 2. We're going to graph that line. Now we're going to move on to our second line. We're going to start with our y-intercept. Our y-intercept is this number out here. It would be negative 5. So we're going to start at negative 5. And then we travel slope. There is nothing in front of the x, so that means it has a coefficient of 1. That means that we just go up 1, over 1. Up 1, over 1, up 1, over 1, up 1, over 1. And we draw our line after we travel our slope. And boom, these two trajectories hit each other right here. That is our solution. So our solution, we write as an ordered pair with parentheses. That's very important, and a comma in between. The x value goes here and the y value goes here. Our x value is 1, 2, 3, 4 right here. Our y value is negative 1. So this is our solution. Sometimes we have different amounts of solutions. So sometimes we have different numbers of solutions. If we have a graph that looks like this, and they meet in one place, that's one solution. If the lines never ever meet, they never meet, they never cross, that's no solution because they never meet. And then if it's the same line and then graphed over the same line, they're always touching. That means that's infinite solutions. All right, so we have systems of equations. We're always searching for solutions. We can find our solutions by graphing them. Number of solutions down here. If you're in algebra, you can use Desmos to help you graph and find the solutions. Use that graphing technology. It's certainly okay. And if you're in algebra also, there are two other methods called elimination and substitution, but we are not going to do those right now. So, thank you for watching and good luck on your assignment.